Hi Monica. Okay, you wanted me to give a bit of a critique. Well, there's not a lot I can critique. It's really good. I like the face. Maybe think about this jawline down here seems to be a little bit kind of off, and these ears, they need to be corrected for sure. Be quite nice to have some subtle kind of neck muscles coming down with maybe a little bit of an indent in there, and maybe a little bit of cleavage coming in there. I don't know if its armor links up with it. I don't think it does. Also, this part here, it looks too flat. It looks like it could round off better. I know what you're kind of going for with this thick armor, so I'm not going to say I'll make that thinner, even though I've got a mind that it should be thinner. These shoulder areas as well, maybe bring this down a bit in size, because if she's trying to actually move, it's going to be too big. Your fitting around here needs to be better on the shoulders, so again you need to curve this over more. Definitely, you've got this kind of thing going on. There's nothing wrong with it, it just doesn't look right to me. So really it's all about getting these kind of curves going on it, but other than that, it's really good. Of course, you know, taking it to the more final, you might want to take things a little bit more out of symmetry. You've obviously duplicated parts, and it's very obvious that the parts have been duplicated, so you'll need to take that out of symmetry when you're happy with it, and then modify some of those areas so it doesn't look as bad like that. So the other thing is, you're doing a bust. Generally you would cut that straight off here. You need to either extend the body down to make it more like a body shape. You definitely don't want this, and you definitely don't want this. You want to finish it off, or you want to cut it across. Whether you bring these arms down and then put some sort of thing there and then cut it off, that's fine. I know you're working with a bust, or you cut it straight across there. It's up to you. So like I said, just look at this kind of area. Just looks a bit sort of big flat round here. Maybe try to, again, I think it's with you, and it's a common problem, is to get this nice round feel going around the face as well. Even though like from the front it looks really good, it's just if you look at the eyes, they're a bit flat, they're a bit sort of straight on. So again, that curve in there, a little bit of a deeper recess, will just bring this out a little bit more. Hair good, I know you're still working on it. Love the horns coming out, they look pretty cool. So that's it really. There's not a lot, it's just being aware of things. And you've also got some horrible little creases coming up here, so you might want to separate this piece out from this piece, because it looks like you've done it in one. That's what I would say. That will give you enough to work on. Yeah, put your snapshot up and let me have a look at it, a before and after, so I can see those sort of changes that you've made, and I think you'll see a significant difference in the result if you just follow a few of those very simple steps. But you know, these are things that you can pick up on. So yep, hopefully that's helped you. All right, see you later, Monica.